Welcome guys to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys different kind of factorials that we have. We still have more than 4 to 5 factorials, and in this video I'll be showing you up to 4 or 3 factorials that we have. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Like the video and comment, and please share the link to your friends so that more people can gain and subscribe to my channel. Let's get to work. We know the factorial, e.g. 4 factorial. This one will give us 4 times 2, 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which is 24. This factorial is very common and known. Now, the first factorial I'll be introducing today is called double factorial. This factorial is in two forms. One, for even. The first one is for even. This factorial is telling us that the factorial of even will multiply by what? The next even number. The next even number till you get to the lowest even number. Example, let's pick 4 factorial. This will give us the result of 4 times 2. As we all know that 2 is the next even number when going back to 1. From 4, the next even number is what? 2. Then this one will give us what? 8. Now, if you're talking about 6 factorial now, it will be 6 times 4 times 2. I'm going to leave you guys for that. We can multiply this together. Now, for us to get a definition for this, we can say that for even number, we have factorial to be n in bracket of n minus 2 till we get to 4 times 2. Now, for odd, n factorial, double factorial, the odd is telling us that you have to multiply the odd numbers following the number that we are given to make the factorial. Example, 3 double factorial. This 3 double factorial, 3 is odd, then we have what? 3. The next odd number is what? 1. So we have 3 as the result. Now, in the comment, I want to leave you guys to this 7 factorial, double factorial, and 8 double factorial. You can solve it and give me the answer in the comment section. Now, the next factorial I'll be talking about is called subfactorial. Subfactorial. We have been putting our factorial at the front. What if we put our factorial at the back? Exclamation mark at the back, then we have the n. This is giving us a definition of n factorial 1 minus 1 over 1 factorial plus 1 over 2 factorial minus 1 over 3 factorial till you get to minus 1n 1 over n factorial. This is the definition for the subfactorial. Let's look at one example. Let's look at 3. This one will give us 3 factorial 1 minus 1 over 1 factorial plus 1 over 2 factorial minus 1 over 3 factorial. Note that whenever you are treating factorial, you can never get a fraction. You usually get whole number. 3 factorial will give us 6. 1 minus 1 over 1 plus 1 over 2 minus 1 over 6. Then we have 6 in bracket of this one. We cancel this. We have 1 over 2 minus 1 over 6. Solving this, we have the LCM to be 6. 3 minus 1. This we cancel this, we have 2. So subfactorial of 3 will give us what? Will give us 2. Now, let's go to the next factorial. For the next factorial we'll be talking about, it is called super factorial. Super factorial. This one is very easy and very simple to understand. Don't forget that when you have 4 factorial, we have 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Now, the symbol for super factorial is SF of n. So, we are going to use a pi notation because we are dealing with multiplication. So, we are going to use pi notation. Pi notation. Pi of k equal to 1 k factorial. Now, let's go for one example. SF of 4. From here, we have, what is 4 factorial before? 4 factorial is 4, 3, 2, 1. Then, for me to get the super factorial, I have to do what? I have to put factorial in front of all the factorials. Then you have 24 times 6 times 2 times 1. You can multiply this together and have your answer. I'm not with calculator here. Now let's go to the last factorial, which is still super factorial. This is a particular definition for super factorial. I'm going to give another definition for super factorial. And the definition for super factorial in this one, which is being known or being revealed to us by peak over. We are not going to be using SF for this. We are going to be using dollar sign. And yes, it is called dollar sign. Dollar sign. Now, let's say you want to find $4 sign, which is super factorial. It will be 4 factorial and what? 4 factorial. This is iteration for you guys. I'm going to do a video on iteration so as for us to know how to solve this. Then you have 24, 24. Then it will be 24, 24, 24, dot, 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 you get to 24. Then this one will give us 20, different 24s, 24 times. You can help me press the calculator and tell me the answer in the comment section. So this is all the factorial I'm going to show you guys today. We have double factorial, we have sub factorial, we have super factorial, we have super factorial, which one is peak over. This one is another definition for super factorial. Watch out for my next video on another different set of factorial where I'll be talking about prime Fourier hyper factorial. Thank you for watching my video. God bless you. Please try to subscribe and help me share the link of my channel so that more people can subscribe. Thanks.